Pinky.
It's a This is tiger nut drink. How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video, I want to prepare Garri Jollof. This is my ingredient for our Garri Jollof. Here is my Garri. This is my pepper. This is onion, scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne pepper, bell pepper. Yes, crayfish, curry powder, seasoning cubes, ginger, nutmeg powder, and salt. Spring onion, bell pepper, the red and the green one. This is onion, groundnut oil. So join us as we're about to prepare this. So I want to soak the garri. Drinking water. So you see the garri. I soak the pot with water. So now I want to cover it so that the vegetables it will done very well. So beautiful people, Thank you very much for watching this our delicious Garri Jollof. If you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. So it's ready now. I want to take it down. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is our Garri Jollof with goat meat, spicy goat meat. How we prepare our spicy goat meat is on my YouTube channel. Emmanuella, oh yeah, I love for go and wash your hands. Come and eat. This is nice. It's a This is tigernut drink. How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel.
No, that's good. Mommy too.
This one is tigernut. Yeah. Small, small, eh? Feel it to your body. This is yummy and delicious. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Emmanuella, say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
This is yummy. Reality.